2023 Lexus UX Hybrid interior, price, redesign. The UX collection is definitely the portable and comparatively reasonably priced SUV offerings from Lexus, which should be a great choice for individual move in urban surroundings. Together with the performance of the hybrid mill, the 2023 UX 250h would have been a nice option for someone that wishes a fuel-successful small SUV and desires to appearance swanky simultaneously. It's a Lexus, so we count on nothing at all less than high-quality top-quality suit and complete. The 2023 UX Hybrid sequence is available in 3 trim ranges: UX 250h, UX 250h F Sport, and UX 250h Luxury, in which the F Sport clip is going to be reviewed as a standalone. The bottom clip UX 250h, even though it is an entry-levels model, comes along with the majority of the luxury amenities we anticipate, like twin-zone automated environment handle, faux leather-based covers, and power-changeable front side seats. Of course, we all know these are not specifically luxury things, but it is a base-toned 2023 Lexus UX Hybrid redesign. Exterior. The 2023 Lexus UX 250h has a quite unconventional design on the outside. The front stop with this Lexus pretty much had taken the ideas using their merchandise in their stable. The hourglass molded grille and razor-sharp headlights with upside inverted DRLs are all design cues taken from their sporty sedans, which can be pretty good by any means. The F Sport deal does liven points up and packages ample goodies to warrant the extra price. Many distinct body lines flow throughout the shoulder joint line of the SUV and intermittently stop in the midst of not anywhere. Including the tail lightweight assemblage protruded out operating as an airflow diffuser. The tailgate itself has a lot of well-defined slices and forms. The rear bumper gets some intense cladding, and the tailpipes stay secret, showcasing its eco-pleasant mother nature. Overall, the design language just hangs properly beneath the purpose of simply being overdone. Interior. The 2023 UX 250h's cabin is huge and classy, to say the least. The dashboard has quite an unusual design with plateau-like layers stacked on the other person. Things are all covered in synthetic natural leather, and with the contrasting sewing, the cabin does seem upmarket. The swap layout accomplished in the UX 250h can be something we have discontinued experiencing, particularly ever since the environment control gaming console has individual's nice flick changes. Every little thing seems anatomically positioned and the performance degrees are high. The foundation trim in the 2023 UX 250h includes a good infotainment method. You have a 7-inch screen with Google Android Auto and the Apple Company CarPlay as standard. The non-obligatory The Navigation Package deal brings a bigger 10.3 inches screen with stay website traffic info and SD card help. The area of expertise of the infotainment product is these particular displays are certainly not feel sensitive. The feel pad handle is really a catastrophe, and sporting activities the most detrimental kind of user interface we have even can come via. Even if it had been a touch screen, the considerably up location from the screen will make it difficult to utilize when driving a car. 2023 Lexus UX Hybrid engine. Lexus always seeks at the secure traveling experience rather than athletic dynamics, except when it's an F Sport cut. The SUV is advisable familiar with city driving because the engine has a decent amount of torque to tug you through spaces. The steering is effectively weighted, and the tight switching radius causes it to be an ideal choice for limited areas. It is not necessarily by far the most communicative unit available, but that's inquiring a good deal for the city-driven car. The Lexus UX 250h offers the minimum powerful hybrid engine, and that means it is get about 8.6 moments to reach 60 miles per hour. A similar can be stated for that CR-V. In addition to, although the strength productivity is increased, the acceleration remains respectable at finest. Hyundai Tucson and Toyota RAV4 work most effectively performers in terms of velocity. Getting usually the one with the maximum put-together torque production, the RAV4 does handle better quarter distance time. Nevertheless, the Tucson, as a result of its 6-rate auto, reaches 60 the quickest with just 7.1 mere seconds around the clock. 2023 Lexus UX Hybrid price and release date. Regarding the release date, there has not been much information through the company. Our company is planning on the 2023 Lexus UX Hybrid will reach showrooms by fall the coming year. This has been the trend with Lexus releases these days, and we expect so that it is promptly. Even so, shipping are anticipated to get started on a little later than that. Remarkable slowdowns because of the pandemic and the typical economic slowdown have afflicted car producers, and hence we can entirely comprehend the real reason for these slowdowns. The 2023 UX 250h is anticipated into the future in 3 clip levels using a solitary drivetrain solution to pick from. With all the commencing expected to be around $36,200, and with none of its straight competitors just like the GLA Class and X1 giving a hybrid variant, the UX 250h comes in like a special proposition within the sector.